Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is Arabic word meaning. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 25. Today is our revised class and SW number 25. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic word meaning with Arabic alphabet. So my dear students, let's start. My dear student, here I have written 7 Arabic alphabets from Zal to Dod. Today we will learn Arabic word meaning with Arabic alphabet. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, we know that Zal for Zahabun. Zahabun means gold. Zal for Jahabun. Jahabun means gold. Then Ra, we know that Ra for Rijlun. Rijlun means leg. Ra for Rijlun. Rijlun means leg. Then Za. Za for Zaharatun. Zaharatun means flower. Za for Zaharatun. Zaharatun means flower. Now my dear student, Sin. Sin for Sinnun. Sinnun means teeth. Sin for Sinnun. Sinnun means teeth. Now Shin. Shin for Samsun. Shin for Shamsun. Shamsun means sun. Shin for Shamsun. Shamsun means sun. Then Swat, my dear student. Swat for Sagirun. Sagirun means little. Swat for Sagirun. Sagirun means little. Then my dear student, Dot. Dot for Da'ifun. Da'ifun means guest. Dot for Da'ifun. Da'ifun means guest. Now my dear student, you have to read this Arabic word meaning with Arabic alphabet like this rhythm, in this rhythm. Now my dear students, everyone read with me how to read this Arabic word with Arabic alphabets. Okay, now everyone read with me. Zal for Zahabun. Zahabun means gold. Ra for Rijlun. Rijlun means leg. Za for Zaharatun. Zaharatun means flower. Sin for Sinnun. Sinnun means teeth. Shin for Shamsun. Shamsun means sun. Swad for Sagirun. Sagirun means little. Dot for Da'ifun. Da'ifun means guest. My dear students, today is our revised class. You have already memorized all of this Arabic word meaning with Arabic alphabet. And my dear students, you will read again and again in this pattern, and you will memorize all of this Arabic alphabet, all of this Arabic word with Arabic alphabet. So my dear students, you will make SW at home as SW number 25 from Zal to Shin. From Zal to Shin, this 5. Only 5. We will make SW at home only 5. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.